In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error code 105 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually appears when Steam cannot connect to its servers because of a network configuration or DNS problem on your computer. The good news is that this error is usually very simple to fix, and you don't need to reinstall Steam or change any complicated settings. I'll walk you through a quick method that resets your network configuration and clears DNS problems that often cause this error. Just follow along step by step and you should have Steam working again in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes and tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. Before we begin with the fix, the first thing we want to do is completely close Steam. If Steam is still running while we reset network settings, the changes may not apply properly. So go ahead and exit Steam from the system tray or close it from the main window. You can also open Task Manager and make sure there are no Steam processes still running in the background. Once Steam is fully closed, we can move on to the main fix. Now press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box on your computer. In the Run box, type CMD and then press Enter. This will open the command prompt window where we can run a couple of simple network repair commands. Inside the command prompt window, we're going to run two commands that reset your DNS cache and your Windows network sockets. These two things are often responsible for connection issues with Steam and many other online services. First, type the command ipconfig /flushdns and then press Enter. This command clears your DNS cache, which removes outdated or corrupted network records that may be preventing Steam from connecting properly. Next, type the second command, which is netshishich Winsock reset and press Enter again. This command resets the Windows Winsock catalog, which controls how Windows handles network connections. If something in the network stack became corrupted, this reset usually fixes it. After you run both commands successfully, the final step is to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that the network changes we just made are fully applied to your system. Once your PC turns back on, simply open Steam again and try loading the store or your library. In most cases, Steam error code 105 should now be completely gone and your connection should work normally again. If you still see the error after restarting, you can also try temporarily disabling a VPN, checking your firewall settings, or switching your DNS to something like Google DNS. But for most people, the DNS Flush and Winsock reset we just did will solve the problem, and that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code 105 step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials and tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.